Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is lesson number 2, addition of 4-digit numbers. In that lesson we are going to learn how to add 2 or 3 4-digit numbers with and without regrouping. Then how to apply the properties of addition while adding, and also we are going to learn how to apply the skill of addition to solve story sums. Okay, so now we will start the lesson. Before that we will see recall of addition of 3-digit numbers. To add 3-digit numbers, write the numbers one below the other. See students, before start addition, what you have to do? You have to write the numbers one below the other. The hundreds, tens and ones digit should appear one below the other. Here I will show you one example. See this. Here you can see ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. O stands for ones, T stands for tens, and H stands for hundred. Okay, now this is a 3-digit addition. 258, this is a 3-digit number. Plus means we have to add 566, this is also 3-digit numbers, means here we have to add 3-digit numbers. Now what is the first step? We have to write these numbers one below the other. Okay, now see the ones place numbers. Now here in the ones place digit, which two numbers you can see? Yes, here two numbers you can see, that is 8 and 6. First what we have to do? Always we should start the addition or subtraction, whatever is there, we should start from ones place only. So now at ones place there are 8 and 6, these two numbers are there at ones place. Now students, what you have to do? This first number means this 8 you have to keep in your mind, yes, and the another number 6, this number you have to take on your finger. So take out your 6 fingers. Okay, now which number is there in your mind? Yes, in your mind 8 is there. Now after 8 count your 6 fingers. Yes, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now see the 14 number. Now 14, this is a 2-digit number. This is ones place and this is tens place. Now at ones place 4 is there, isn't it? So we will write here 4, and this one we will give carry as a carry at tens place. Okay, now after ones place we will move to the tens place. Now in the tens place here 3 numbers are there. Now this is a carry 1, then 5 and 6. Now students, at tens place here this 5 number, this first number you should keep in your mind. So keep this 5 in your mind. Okay, now take out your 6 fingers. Show your 6 fingers to me. Okay, now after 5 count your 6 fingers. Yes, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 plus 6, 11. Then we should add this one, this carry also we should add. 5 plus 6, 11, plus 1, 12. Now again 12 is a 2-digit number. So at ones place 2 is there. So we will write 2 here, and this 1 we will give as a carry to the next place, that is at hundreds place. So 12 means we should write 2 at tens place, and this one will move to the hundreds place as a carry. Now see the hundreds place digit. Here again 3 numbers are there, 1, 2 and 5. Now which number we will keep in your mind? Yes, we will keep these 2 in your mind. Keep 2 in your mind. Okay. Now take out your 5 fingers. Show your 5 fingers. Okay. Now after 2, add 5. Yes, count the fingers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now see, here one carry is there. Okay. So again this carry also we have to add. So 1 plus 7, 8. So 8 is a only one digit number. So we will write here 8. So what will be the answer? The answer is 824. This is the answer. Okay. Now here some sums are there that we will see one by one. So for that you have to open your textbook, page number 22, and keep in front of you. Take out your pencil eraser and be ready. Now we will solve one by one these all sums. Now here students, here 12 sums are there. Okay. First is 348 plus 276. Now this is also a 3-digit number. Okay. Addition of 3-digit number. Can you see now? Okay. Now here what we have to do? First we have to start from the ones place. Now here before start I will write here O, T and H. O stands for ones, T stands for tens and H stands for 100. Why? Because it is a 3-digit number. Now see, 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. We have to do the addition of 8 plus 6. Now which number we will keep in your mind? Yes, 8. Correct. 8 we should keep in your mind. Keep 8 in your mind. Okay. Now how many fingers you will take out? 6. Okay. Now 8 is there in our mind and 6 in our hand. Now show your 6 fingers. After 8 count your 6 fingers. Yes, after 8 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8 plus 6. Yes, 8 plus 6 is 14. So now see here 14, this is again 2-digit number. Okay. So these 4 we should write here and this 1 we have to give as a carry to the next place. Okay. Now we will move to the tens place digit. Now if we will see this tens place digit, here 3 numbers are there. 1, 4, 7. Okay. Now all these 3 numbers we have to add. Now for this 4 keep in your mind. 7, show your 7 fingers. Okay. Now after 4 count your 7 fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4 plus 7, 11. But see students, remember that there is a carry, one carry is there, that also we have to add. 4 plus 7, 11 plus 1, 12. So if 12 is there, which number we should write here? 2, exactly. And which number we should give as a carry? 1. The number 1 will come here at 100 place as a carry. Now we will move to the 100th place digit. Add these 3 numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 2. This is very easy. Orally also you can do this addition. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So what will be the answer? The answer is 600, 2 tens, 4 ones, means 624. This is our answer. Now we will move to the second question. See the number 457 plus 189. Again this is a 3-digit number. So whenever we will see the numbers, that time we will write the places. Okay. Now at ones place, which 2 numbers you can see? Yes. At ones place 7 and 9 is there. Okay. Now this 7 we will keep in our mind. So keep this 7 in our mind. Okay. Now the next number is 9. Take out your 9 fingers. Yes, show your 9 fingers to me. Do the addition in your mind. Which number is there? Yes, in our mind 7 is there. After 7, count your 9 fingers. Do the addition after 7. Show your 9 fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 7 plus 9, 16. Okay. If 16 number is there, then which number we should write here? 6. Correct. And this one will come as a carry to the next place. At tens place we will give carry. Now see the tens place numbers. At tens place 3 numbers are there. 1, 5, 8. Now all these 3 numbers we have to add. First, which number we will keep in your mind? Yes, this 5 we will keep in our mind. And show your 8 fingers. Okay. After 5, count 8 fingers. Yes, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 plus 8, correct, 13. Now this carry also we have to add. So 1 plus 13, yes, 14. So 14 is again 2-digit number. Okay. So this 4 we will write here and this 1 will give as a carry. Now see the hundreds place digit. Here at 100 place again 3 numbers are there. 1, 4, 1. This is also very easy addition. This addition you can do orally. 1 plus 4, 5 and 5 plus 1, 6. So what is the answer? The answer is 646. Then we'll move to the third example. See the third example. Read this number. Yes, which number it is? It is a 568. 568 plus 274. Again this is a 3-digit number. So first we will write their places. O, T, H. O stands for ones, T stands for tens and H stands for 100. Now see this ones place number only first, because whenever we will do the addition or subtraction, always we should start from the ones place only. So first we will see these 2 numbers. 8 plus 4. 8 keep in your mind. 4 take out your 4 fingers. In your mind which number is there? Yes, in our mind 8 is there. So after 8 count 4 fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12. So if 12 is there, at ones place which number is there? 2. So we will write here 2 and this 1 we will give as a carry to the next place. Okay. Now see the tens place numbers. Now we will add this tens place number. At tens place 1 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there. So first we will keep this 6 in our mind and show your 7 fingers. After 6 count your 7 fingers. Yes, after 6 count your 7 fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 6 plus 7, 13. Now here 1 is there. Carry 1 is there, na? That also we have to add. 6 plus 7, 13 plus 1. Yes, correct, 14. So which number we will write here? 4. At ones place 4 is there, na? So we will write 4 here and we will give 1 carry to the hundreds place. Now see the hundreds place numbers. Here 1 is there, 5 is there, 2 is there. Now keep this 5 in your mind. Okay. Now show your 2 fingers. After 5 count 2 fingers. 6, 7 plus this 1. 7 plus 1, 8. So what is the answer? Read this number. The number is 842. So 568 plus 274 what is the addition? The answer is 842, isn't it? Okay. Now we will move to the fourth example. See the number carefully. The number is 298. This is also a 3-digit number. Then plus 347. This is also 3-digit number. Now add 8 plus 7. First we will write their places. O, T, H. Whenever we will see the number, that time first we will write its places. At ones place 8 and 7 is there. So this 8 we will keep in our mind. Okay. So keep 8 in our mind. And which number is there next? 7 is there. So take out your 7 fingers. Show your 7 fingers. Okay. Now after 8 you have to count your 7 fingers. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8 plus 7, 15. So now see this 15 number. In 15 at ones place which number is there? 5 is there. So this 5 we will write here. And this 1 we will give as a carry to the next place, that is at tens place. Now see this tens place digit. At tens place 1, 9 and 4 is there. So 9, this 9 we will keep in our mind. 9 plus 4, show your 4 fingers. Okay. Now which number is there in our mind? Yes, 9 is there. So after 9 count 4 fingers. 10, 11, 12, 13. So if 13 is there, which number we will write here? Yes, we will write here 3. But see students, 9 plus 4, 13 is there. But we have to add this carry also. Okay. So 13 plus 1, 14. So if 14 number is there, this 4 we should write here. And this 1 we will give as a carry, which is at hundreds place. Now do the addition of these 3 numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3. Yes, after 3 again count 3 fingers. 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 645. This is our answer. Now students, this 5, 6, 7, 8. These 4 sums you have to solve by your own. Now see the next page. Here some more examples are there that we will take now. 9, 10, 11, 12. See the ninth one. What are the numbers? Read the number. The numbers are 588 plus 198 plus 176. Now see students, here first we will write their places O, T and H. Now if we will see the numbers, here 3 numbers are there, isn't it? 3 digit and 3 numbers are there. 588, it is a 3-digit number, and here total 3 numbers are there, that we have to do the addition of these 3 numbers. Now so first we will see the ones place number. Now at ones place which numbers are there? 8, 8, 6. Now this number, this first number we will keep in our mind. So this 8 keep in your mind, and next which number is there? 8. That number you have to show on your finger. 8 keep in your mind. This 8 show on your finger. Now after 8, why? Because in our mind also 8 is there. So after 8 again you have to count 8 fingers. Okay. So show your 8 fingers. After 8 count the fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now in 16 again we have to add one more number is there with us. So in 16 we have to add this 6 also. So now 16 we have to keep in our mind. Okay, which number we have to keep in our mind? 16 16. Then after 16, show your 6 fingers. Okay, after 16, count 6 fingers. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now the addition of ones place number is 22. Now see this 22. At ones place 2 is there. So we will write 2 here. Now here also 2 is there. This 2 we will give as a carry to the tens place. Okay. Now see we have to add this tens place number. Here 4 numbers are there. 2 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7. These 4 numbers we have to add. Now 2 plus 8. Yes, 2 plus 8, 10. Now 10 keep in your mind and see the 9 is there. Show your 9 fingers. Now after 10, count your 9 fingers. Yes, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now 19 we got 19. Now 19 plus 7 we have to do. So for that 19 keep in your mind plus 7, show your 7 fingers. After 9 count the 7 fingers. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now 26 is there. We got 26. So which number we will write here? 6. Okay. And which number we should give as a carry? 2, which is at hundreds place. Now do the addition. 2 plus 5. Where is it? Is 2 plus 5? 7. 7 plus 5. Sorry, 7 plus 1? 8. 8 plus 1? 9. So what is our answer? 962. This is our answer. Now we will see the 10th one example. Read the number. The number is 567. First number is 567. The other number is 48 and the third number is 289. These 3 numbers we have to add. First we will write their places. O, T, H. Now see at ones place which numbers are there? At ones place 7, 8, 9 is there. Okay. So now first this 7 we will keep in our mind. So keep this 7 in our mind. Okay. Now which number is there next? 8 is there. So show your 8 fingers. Okay. Which number is there in our mind? 7. So after 7 count 8 fingers. Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7 plus 8, 15. Now see students, we got 15 number. So this 15 number again we have to keep in our mind. Now see the next number. Which number is there? 9. Okay. And in our mind which number is there? 15. Remember this. In our mind 15 is there and we have to show 9 fingers. So show your 9 fingers. Okay. After 15 count your 9 fingers. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 15 plus 9, 24. Now if we will see this 24 number, which number is there at ones place? Yes, 4 is there. So we will write here 4 and these 2 we will give as a carry to the next place, that is at tens place. Now see the tens place numbers. At tens place 2, 6, 4, 8. These 4 numbers are there. Okay. So all these 4 numbers we have to add. Now do this first. 2 plus 6. It is very easy. 2 plus 6, 8. Now 8 plus 4. After 8 count 4 fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we got 12 number. Now this 12 number keep in your mind. Okay. Which number we have kept in your mind? 12. Now the last which number is there? 8 is there. Now show your 8 fingers. Okay. Which number is there in your mind? 12 is there. So after 12 count your 8 fingers. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 12 plus 8, 20. So at 20, see at 20, at ones place 0 is there. So we will write here 0 and this 2 will go to the hundreds place as a carry. Now see students, 2 plus 5. Do the addition, simple addition. It is 2 plus 5, 7. Now here nothing is there means 0. So 7 plus 0, 7. Why? Because there is a property. If we will add 0 to in any number, then we will get the answer same number. Okay. So 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. Then 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. So what will be the answer? The answer is 904. Isn't it? Okay. Now see the next sum example. Example number 11. In this example, 567, 239 and 89. These three numbers are there. If we will see these two numbers are 3-digit number, and this 89, it is a 2-digit number. So first we will write their places. Now see the ones place numbers. At ones place, which three numbers you can see? Okay, here 7, 9, 9. These three numbers are there. Okay, now we will add these three numbers. First, this 7 we will keep in your mind. So keep this 7 in your mind. Okay, now this next number is 9. So show your 9 fingers. After 7, why? Because in our mind 7 is there. So after 7, count your 9 fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 7 plus 9, 16. So now see students, this 16 again we have to keep in our mind. Okay. Then again next which number is there? 9. So show your 9 fingers. In your mind 16 is there. After 16 count 9 fingers. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 16 plus 9, 25 we got. Okay. So this 5 we will write here, and this 2 will go to the tens place as a carry. Now 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 3, after 8 count 3 fingers, 9, 10, 11. Again 11 plus 8. 11 plus 8, after 11 count your 8 fingers, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 11 plus 8, 19. So we will write 9 here and we'll give 1 carry. Now add these three numbers. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So what will be the answer? 895. Now we will move to the last example, that is 12th example. 386 plus 309 plus 99. These three numbers we have to add. So what we will write first? Yes, we will write their places first. Now see the ones place numbers. At ones place 6, 9, 9 is there. Okay, these three numbers are there at ones place. So first number is the 6. So keep this 6 in our mind. Okay, we will keep 6 in our mind. The next number is 9. So show your 9 fingers. In our mind 6 is there. After 6 count your 9 fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6 plus 9, 15. Now this 15 we will keep in our mind. Okay, and the next number is 9. Again you have to show your 9 fingers, and after 15 count your 9 fingers. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 15 plus 9, 24. So 4 we will write here and 2 we will give as a carry. Now see the tens place numbers. At tens place 2, 8, 0, 9. These 4 numbers are there. Now we will add these 4 numbers. 2 plus 8, yes, 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 0, 10 plus 9, 10 plus 9. After 10, count your 9 fingers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 10 plus 9, 19. So we will write 9 here and 1 will give as a carry to the next place, that is at hundreds place. Now see the 100 place numbers. At 100 place 1, 3 and 3. These 3 numbers are there. So we have to add these 3 numbers. 1 plus 3, do the addition. It is very simple addition. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So what is the answer? The answer is 700 9 tens 4 ones, means the answer is 794. So in this way today we have completed our recall exercise. In that recall exercise there are total 12 sums are there, 12 examples are there, and from that 12 examples I have taken today 8 examples. Remaining 4 examples, that is examples number 5, 6, 7, 8, that you have to solve by your own. So in the next session we will see the next part. Till that time, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.